So, back from Portugal, had some fun with the SCX24 pocket crawler, awesome. Just didn't get to play with it as much as I wanted to, but I did get to play in the sea and have a bit of a holiday with the family, which was great. But now I'm back. We have the Infraction, and we have a few goodies from Scorched, the aluminium rear hubs, titanium skiddy sparky thing, some titanium fixings for the front splitter, some titanium for the knuckles, carbon fiber servo mount. I think I have some other bits as well, which I don't know. But more importantly, we've got the 4mm carbon GT chassis, which there ain't no flex in that, not from me. Pretty strong, nice piece of kit. It's almost too nice to scratch up, but I've got something for that. So polyethylene sheets that I'm going to try and fit to the bottom. Kit comes with your aluminium mounts for your diff housings and stuff, some carbon spacers or whatever they are, bag full of bits. Yeah, so let's see, get on cracking. Oh, and this puppy, the XLX2, finally appeared, so these will not be going in. And Onyx, hopefully this bad boy can go in now. Just had to get some 8mm bullets, and I've got some of those anti-spark 8mm battery connectors, because you need to be able to draw 150 amps continuously through the connectors with the XLX2, otherwise they melt. So yeah, yet another different connector. So got to solder all the old IC5 connectors from the batteries I got, and then put the new ones on. Anyway, lots to do. Enough waffle. Yo, so we have upgraded the Infraction. If you first remember seeing our video, we thought we would see if it was safe to buy, what you get when you buy something secondhand on eBay. Very quickly, or slowly, I don't know, quickly for me, it's upgraded from the standard car to now a GT spec Scorched car. Well, so we fitted the Scorched GT chassis. We've got the Scorched flat top brace. That was already on it actually. We fitted the guards. I did that off camera. It's just so laborious. Why they're not pre-cut, I don't know. I'd rather pay twice as much and not have to cut them myself, but that's me again. We fitted the Scorched rear aluminium hubs. We fitted the titanium bits to the front knuckles. What else have we done? Oh yeah, we've put in a Castle XLX2 ESC with B-Link. We've also fitted, finally, Onyx, the TP motor that we got off you, or one of the motors I got off you, and some custom fanage. Started putting all the electronics in off camera because obviously you've seen this before, don't need me to show you that again, but all in all, car's looking good, man. It's almost too nice to drive, in my opinion. I'm going to do something to protect the chassis underneath. That'll be in another video. We'll get the wheels on it in another video. I've just run out of time. We are going to do a video as well on the... on the SCX24 RC four-wheel drive portal axles. So we'll open those up. That'll be the next video, I think. And then a break for me. I'm going back to work again. But hey, that's what funds the hobby. So catch you on the flip side. Enjoy this car. And don't forget, subscribe. And smash that bell. Take a look at this. Man, she makes me horny. Full specs, links down below. Ciao.